Get it, brother. There you go.
Everyone's watching you.
I just want to know what that shirt does.
It's like you have 405 Don't lie.
All right, 50 more. 13-point infinity. Oh, hell yeah, man. There you go. Nothing wrong with a bunch of squats and one good morning. The mustache is the key to success.